his hair. I think he became disinterested in his pumpkin. Jeremy, that is beautiful. Hey, Jeremy, hold up the pumpkin I painted.
Mine's the most size.
That's good, isn't it? Okay, you put that down. Let's see yours now. Hold yours up.
I can't.
Is it too heavy? That is great. I love that one. That is like the coolest one. Now, Alex, let's see yours. He doesn't seem to be painting his pumpkin very much, but he does seem to be painting his hair.
He's like an ugly guy.
A green monster. That's a funny mask, isn't it?
That's scary.
Should we put our pumpkins outside?
No, I'm not done yet.
You're not? Yeah? Alex said yeah.
No. Say no, Alex.
You done?
No.
Yeah, you are? Okay. Jeremy's still painting his. Alex, your hair's all green. No, don't go in there. Come back. Bring your paintbrush back in the... Beautiful, Jeremy. Good job. Should I put him outside?
I'm going to paint Alex's.
Yeah, Alex is digging in the green paint.
So I'm not done yet. You get it? Oh!
What would you do? We have to make sure we take a picture of your huge pumpkin outside, Jeremy. Oh, no, Alex, don't paint Jeremy's. Don't paint Mommy's. Go paint yours. Go get your pumpkin, Alex. Oh, Alex! He smeared the eye. You smeared the pumpkin on my eye on my pumpkin. Yeah, you're messy. You ready to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath, Alex?
Say no. Say no, Alex.
You want to take a bath?
No. No. No.
No, Alex, don't kick the pumpkin.
No. Alex doesn't.
What are you going to paint on his, Jeremy?
Nothing. Just like...
Hey, Alex, uh-oh. You've got paint all over you. Ready to take a bath?
No.